Keeping your Ring camera's firmware updated is crucial for security, functionality, and optimal performance. Firmware updates deliver essential security patches, bug fixes, and new features. Most Ring cameras, including Spotlight Cam and Stick-Up Cam, support automatic over-the-air updates. To manually check for updates, open the Ring app on your iOS or Android device, select your camera, and tap Device Health. Here you can see the current firmware status and initiate an update if one is available. Ensure your camera has a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi, is powered on, and has sufficient battery or charge. For older models like the Ring Video Doorbell 1st Gen, the update process might require a direct Ethernet connection or specific prompts within the app. Automatic updates are generally recommended and can be enabled in the Ring app settings under Automatic Firmware Updates. According to Ring's 2025 report, 85% of users enable automatic updates, correlating with a 40% drop in security incidents. If you encounter issues updating your Ring camera's firmware, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try rebooting the camera and your Wi-Fi router. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Ring app. If the update fails repeatedly, contact Ring support through the app or website. Understanding why updates are important can motivate users to keep their devices current. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity problems, security vulnerabilities, and reduced functionality. The 2024 Ring exploit case demonstrated the risks of delayed updates, where hackers accessed live feeds due to unpatched firmware. Ring issued emergency updates v3.45, and users who promptly applied them avoided breaches. Future trends point to fully autonomous updates without user intervention, enhanced with blockchain for verification. As cybersecurity analyst Brian Krebs notes, automatic updates are a game changer for IoT, reducing attack surfaces. Keeping your Ring camera updated ensures your home security system remains secure and functional.